Hi guys, Hik-Connect here. I hope you are all well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to rename, hide and show cameras on Hik-Connect. So first off, let's jump onto Hik-Connect, press on the settings icon as highlighted, click on linked camera, then tap on the camera you want to rename, tap on the camera again. Now here you can choose whatever name you want. And then once you've done, click on the top right tick button. Now let's go back. Now here you've got a list of different cameras with eyes and closed eyes. The eye symbol is to symbolise that it's showing on the app. The closed eye is not showing. So here you can see we've just turned the post PTZ eye to shut and it's not showing on the app. So now let's head back to settings icon, go back to link camera, then click on the eyelash, go back again, and as you can see, that camera has now reappeared. And that is all there is to it guys. I hope this video helped you. If you need any further help with anything else, just drop me a comment down below. Take care guys, bye bye.